is a baby shower for Aileen. Congratulations, Aileen, for your second baby. So we are all here this afternoon to celebrate Aileen. Congratulations, Aileen and Dave.
Congratulations, Aileen and Dave, on your baby boy. Good luck.
Hi, Aileen. I just wanted to say congratulations to you and your husband on your second baby, a boy, finally. That's awesome. I just want to wish you the best. I know you're an amazing mom, and just continue to do a good job. Congratulations.
Hi, Aileen and Dave. Congratulations on your new second children. It's a boy. So glad for two of you, boy and a girl. It's completed. So hopefully he will be a good boy and bring happiness to you, all of you.
Alright, hi, this is Ronnie here. So we are at the baby shower. We are here celebrating Aileen and Dave. So we're celebrating for them. So hope they have a very smooth delivery. Getting ready for the sleepless nights. Second time for Aileen and Dave, and they're having a boy. So they have one girl, one boy. So really jealous because I love girls. With that said, congratulations.
Hi Aileen, I just want to say congratulations on your baby boy. Wish you all the best, and thank you for inviting me.
Hey Aileen, congratulations to, I'm happy that you have a second baby and it's a guy, it's a boy this time. You already have Maya, which is a girl, and that's perfect to have two kids. I would also have the same thing if I had the chance. Just kidding. Anyway, yeah, so congratulations. Hope, the baby's healthy.
Congratulations, Aileen and Dave. We pray that God bless this pregnancy, and we pray that you'll have a smooth delivery, and God will give you both wisdom as parents how to raise up these kids. Congratulations.